The summer bounty, inspired by a moonlight garden, fabulous white flowers, and variegated foliages, and foam-free, of course. The mechanics, we've got a watertight container, floral netting, and then water mixed with flower food. The flowers, everything came from FDI certified floral designer farmer Natalie Teagarden. All of it from Olive Branch Farms. So beautiful. Working on the white palette, Lysimachia, phlox, dahlias, scabiosa, Queen Anne's lace, so many great things. For the foliage, also from Olive Branch Farm, beautiful dogwood and mint. The variegation will be fabulous with the white blooms. Starting with a casual nest of foliage, placing it in to create the base that will support the flowers, letting it drape, making sure it's down far into the water so that it will drink well, breaking the line of the container, radiating from a central binding point, but being a little more casual than you normally would do so that it gives it that garden vibe that will set off the beautiful garden flowers. Dividing it, making sure I go from front to back. Then once the mint is in place, coming back with the dogwood, getting that brighter, again radiating, front, back, side to side, in a casual nest for the flowers. Starting with the heavier, larger flowers first, the dahlias, so beautiful, tucking them in, and of course bringing them around towards the back, but still facing everything forward. It's going to be a one-sided arrangement, but you don't want to forget the back side, so it's really 3/4. Maybe some phlox. Letting it drape outward and forward, and then repeat. Last, adding in the more delicate blooms, letting them be a little bit longer, drawing the eye upward, maybe the cosmos, tucking that in, coming out over the top a bit. They're so delicate and lacy. The Queen Anne's lace, also delicate and lacy. Scabiosa. And their stems are so tiny and strong that they can just feed right in between the other blooms. The recipe, everything from Olive Branch Farms, right here, just across the river in Vancouver, Washington. I started with a base, mint, and dogwood. Then I worked in sevens. 7 cosmos, 7 scabiosa, 7 of the Lysimachia, 7 phlox, 7 Queen Anne's lace, and 7 dahlias. Lush and fabulous. What you're missing on the video is the fact that this is fragrantly fabulous, very herbal. That's another trait of the bounty of the moon garden. White flowers and fragrance to get all the senses in the light of the moon. You'll find more inspiration using garden flowers on the website, flowerschool.com. Look through there, get inspired, then gather up your favorite garden flowers. Think about the moonlight and create a way. Because today, it's your turn to do something you love in the moonlight style.